The future of travel is one of the most exciting topics for English learners because it combines technology, culture, and human imagination. As the world becomes more connected, the ways we move from place to place are changing rapidly. This story follows Emma, a young traveler who wants to understand what travel will look like in the next few decades. Her journey introduces you to new vocabulary about innovation, sustainability, and global communication. Emma begins her adventure at a futuristic airport, where traditional check-in counters have disappeared. Instead, passengers walk through biometric gates that scan their faces and verify their identity in seconds. This new system saves time and reduces long lines. She hears phrases like seamless boarding, digital identity, and automated screening, and she realizes how important English is for understanding modern travel technology. She then visits an air terminal featuring electric aircraft. These planes use rechargeable batteries instead of fuel, producing far less pollution. Engineers explain concepts such as zero-emission flight, lightweight materials, and energy efficiency. For Emma, it becomes clear that the future of travel is closely linked to environmental responsibility. Learning English helps her understand how companies discuss sustainability and innovation on a global scale. As Emma explores these early stages of future travel, she discovers that technology is not replacing human connection. Instead, it helps make travel safer, faster, and cleaner. Her journey has just begun. Emma's next destination is a city built around modern transportation networks. The highlight is the Hyperloop system, a high-speed tube that transports people at incredible speeds. Inside the station, she reads signs that say magnetic levitation, vacuum tunnel, and ultra-rapid transit. These terms are new to her, but she quickly learns them because they are essential in describing the next generation of travel systems. After the Hyperloop ride, Emma explores autonomous vehicles. These cars drive themselves using sensors, cameras, and artificial intelligence. They communicate with traffic signals, buildings, and other vehicles through a digital grid known as the Smart City Network. English phrases like real-time navigation, autonomous control, and intelligent mobility help her understand how cities reduce traffic and improve safety. Emma then visits a virtual reality travel center, where people can experience destinations without flying. With only a headset, a traveler can walk through an ancient city, explore a rainforest, or visit another planet. The employees use expressions such as immersive journey, simulated environment, and digital tourism. Although these trips are not real, they allow people who cannot travel physically to explore the world in new ways. Through these experiences, Emma realizes that the future of travel is not only about speed. It is about accessibility, creativity, and new ways of experiencing the world. She begins to understand that English vocabulary is evolving to keep up with these innovations. Emma's final chapter focuses on the expansion of travel beyond Earth. She visits a spaceport where flights to orbit are being prepared. The instructors use terms like launch sequence, orbital station, and low-gravity environment. Passengers who dream of seeing Earth from above are training for commercial space tourism. Emma understands that one day, traveling to space may be as common as flying across continents. She also learns about underwater travel. New submarines designed for tourism allow people to explore deep ocean environments safely. Engineers explain the meaning of pressure-resistant structure, marine observation deck, and aquatic exploration. These discoveries show Emma that the future of travel includes oceans, skies, and even outer space. As Emma reflects on her journey, she realizes something important. The future of travel is not just about technology. It is also about cultural understanding, communication, and cooperation. Travelers must learn how to interact respectfully with people from different backgrounds. English becomes a bridge that connects travelers in airports, hotels, research centers, and global communities. Emma concludes that to navigate the future confidently, people must improve their ability to communicate clearly, understand new vocabulary, and adapt to rapid change. Travel will continue to evolve, but curiosity and learning will always remain at its heart. Through her adventure, she discovers that the real future of travel begins with knowledge, imagination, and the willingness to explore.